Hello, and welcome back to Nguyening Lifestyles. Sorry we haven't posted within the last 2 years, a lot has happened. But now we're back with another Fidelity video, this time showing you how to buy a stock in Fidelity. Fidelity has changed their UI since the last time we've posted a Fidelity video, most notably their trade ticket. Let me show you. What you're going to do is click on the trade button at the top left here, and a trade ticket will appear. You can move it around wherever you'd like. I'm going to keep it here and zoom in for you. Boop. This is what the trade ticket looks like. You have a trade drop down, you can select what you'd like to trade, stocks and ETFs, options, mutual funds, crypto, etc. I'm going to select stocks and ETFs since that's what I want to buy. In the second drop down, I'm going to select the account I want to trade from. In my case, I want to trade out of my Roth IRA. And right underneath, it'll tell you how much cash you have available to trade. This is cash that's sitting in your account and hasn't been invested in yet. Alright, on to choosing our stock we'd like to buy. When you click on this box here, you'll see all the stocks and ETFs that you own. You can either select from your portfolio, or you can type in the name or the ticker symbol for a stock that you'd like to buy. I like Apple. I have almost all Apple products. I believe in the company, so I'm going to invest in some of my hard-earned cash into some Apple stocks. But that is what I think. Make sure to do your own research to see which stocks and ETFs you like, which ones you believe in, because we here at Nguyening Lifestyles are not financial service advisors. I majored in chemistry and am currently getting a master's in engineering, so the most I can tell you is that Le Chatelier's principle states that if a dynamic equilibrium is disturbed by changing conditions, the position of equilibrium will shift it back into equilibrium. Make sure you know which stock you're selecting because Fidelity will populate searches related to what you've typed. As you can see, there are other companies that have Apple in their name. So I suggest that you also know or at least look up the ticker symbol just to be safe. Alright, now at the time of filming this, July 7th, 2023 at 1:47 p.m. Eastern Time Zone, Apple stock was $192.54. I want to buy some more Apple, so I'm going to select the buy option. Right below, there's an option for buying shares or dollar amounts. Dollar amounts means that if you didn't have enough for a full 1 share of stock, then you can certainly buy a fraction of it in dollar amounts. So if I had only $50 to spend on this Apple stock, I'd select the dollars option and buy $50 of Apple stock, which, at the time of filming this video, would be roughly a quarter share of Apple stock. I have enough to buy 1 full share, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hit shares in the share amount box. I'm going to buy 1. As you can see, Fidelity will show you how many shares of that stock you currently own, if you do. Now I can select how I want to pay for my share, either paying market price or setting a limit. If you don't understand what these mean, go watch our other video explaining these different order types. I don't want to pay full price for Apple at the moment. There's a chance the stock might go down, so I'm gonna set a limit. I'm gonna set the max price I'm willing to buy this Apple stock for. I think Apple might go down a couple dollars in the next couple hours, so I'm gonna set my limit at $190. The last thing before placing your ticket order to buy your stock is determining whether you want to keep this order open for the rest of the day or for longer, 180 days. If you choose the GTC option, 180 days, Fidelity will keep your order open until it's fulfilled within the 180 days. If not, then it'll cancel and you'd have to submit another ticket order. I'm gonna set it for a day because I had a scare a long time ago when buying stocks and leaving my order open for a long time. You can read that blog, I'll link it in the description down below. That's pretty much it. Let me move the ticket up a bit so you can see. I'm gonna click preview order. As you can see here, this is my order. I want to purchase 1 share of Apple for $190 and I want to set the order until market closing. Everything looks good to me. If you want to edit your order, just click the edit button and the cancel button if you don't want to set your order to buy a stock. And that is how you buy a stock in Fidelity after their latest UI update. Stick around for more. I promise we have some more Fidelity and other brokerage videos coming your way. And if you haven't already done so, make sure to smash that like button and comment down below what stocks you're interested in or are in your portfolio and maybe what other videos you'd like to see. Also, remember to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, ring that bell to get your notifications for when we upload, and thank you to those who have, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.